Your wheel opening moldings are among the most popular purchases for restoring your classic. When looking, you can count on us to provide you with the highest quality reproduction in the industry. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1978 to 83 Malibu and 1978 to 87 El Camino front wheel opening moldings. Our front wheel opening moldings are sold as a pair for your convenience. The moldings mount to the edge of the fender and are found only on non-two-tone vehicles. They're manufactured from stamped aluminum using case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. At the end of production, our moldings are anodized for protection. Anodizing aluminum protects it from oxidation and corrosion, so you can count on your part looking good for miles on end. In addition, we pre-punch the mounting holes to mount up to your car with ease. We also include the correct mounting screws. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.